Bum 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 bum.
Hi, Peppa Pig. This is my brother George. Today we're here on the farm.
This is Farmer Brown. This is Farmer Brown's cow. This is Farmer Brown's sheep. This is Farmer Brown's chicken. And this is an untitled goose. Later that evening, it is bedtime. Peppa and George are sleepy after a big day on the farm. But someone is not sleeping.
Wake up, George. It must be morning. The animals are awake.
It is not morning. Someone has woken them up in the middle of the night.
I think we've been tricked, George,
said Peppa.
I don't think I like that goose.
袋鼠 wow!
said George. The next morning, Peppa and George helped Farmer Brown with his cows.
Is it hard to milk a cow, Farmer Brown?
Not if you know what you're doing. You've got to be calm and quiet when you milk a cow. Peppa and George know how to be quiet, but some animals don't. I may have to do something about something, said the farmer.
I don't think I like that goose,
said Peppa. Later that day, Peppa and George visited the hen house to collect some eggs with Farmer Brown's son, Brian.
It's very easy, said Brian. The best eggs are when the chicken is relaxed and happy. I don't think I like that goose,
said Peppa.
Oh, somebody should do something about something,
said Brian. In the afternoon, Peppa and George went to play with Brian's sister Brenda and her cat.
Your cat is so cute,
said Peppa. But some animals were not so cute.
Oh dear, maybe somebody should do something about something,
said Brenda.
I really don't like that goose,
said Peppa. Later that evening, everyone met on the bridge to fix the goose problem.
He ruined my milk. He scared my cat. He broke my eggs. He woke me up.
袋鼠 wow!
But then Farmer Brown had an idea.
Perhaps we should send him to the Minotaur. What's this Minotaur, then?
Many years ago, a maze was built near here. But one day, a terrible beast made his home in the middle of the maze. We have to give him food every week so he won't come to our farm and scare us.
So he's very fat, then?
No, he's not fat, but strong. He's half man and half bull. Always angry, always hungry. And he hates loud noises. He will just love our goose.
Farmer Brown, why does the Minotaur stay in this maze?
Because, Peppa, in the middle of the maze is a throne made of silver. It's his treasure. If he ever lost it, there'd be no reason for him to stay and he'd leave. But no one is brave enough to take it. And so, that's how you make a delicious beef stroganoff. What?
Oh dear.
Everyone was so happy that the Untitled Goose had beaten the monster. But they had some changes to make. Stop ruining my milk.
Stop scaring my cat. Stop breaking my eggs. Stop waking me up.
Stop, I forget. Thanks for playing with us.